got top here for that. Okay, my hair as now this. My hair oil is almost out. Oh, I still have another batch of this. That's what I'm wearing today. Do I need a leave-in place? I don't think so. Yeah, I got this. Please tell me why. Why does it smell so nice? How nice you want to just eat it? Mm. I'm like, my hairstylist, I'm sure she's going to be like, still carry this hair. Like, yes. I'll just go sit and let her do her thing. I think I'll use that time to get through some pages there of my book. That's the only thing not in that bag. Don't know if make this goes well, but okay, it kind of goes maybe with my shorts. I'll show you guys what I'm putting on later. So, am I the only one who does this? I like to leave like maybe change or some money in my bag just so that I'm not left unaware. So in this bag I have some pen, change, tissue, lip balm, perfume. Yeah, that's all I have in here. And these are the first, and I'm good to go. Kaya pisima. Good morning. Long time no see. No, I've been around. Still carrying this head. Yeah, fine. I haven't watched it. I think I watched it the last 2 weeks or so. I'm not tired. I think I've been hot too. Oh, my child has turned my hand. Sometimes I may be so tired, even if I have time. I'm just like, not today, not today. Later. I know my glasses. I have to read. Yeah. I know. I'm gonna know wearing this. This is how I have to read. Because it's like this. I'm just like an It's fine. No, there's no big deal. Page 57 of this book. It looks like this. The other piece of this message is my current name. This is child. Allah is something born. If my mother is a python, then so am I. It helped me going back to like, oh, what's her name again? Akweke. Akweke music. Oh, finally. I'm on page 59. Yeah, please. Don't tell them.
I was when I hope your day is good. Your night is good. You give me food to chop. Let's wash.
It's 10, baby. I don't have strength. Even if you want to do more than 10, I don't want it too tiny. I don't say that is miracle. I love this view. I like it. I think this time I've had this much. 1, 2, 8, 9. Okay. It's feeling like it's much. Like the last one, 11.
Should I apply gel for you?
That oil is okay. It's a wrap. I'm emptying here. 64. Feel refreshed right now. This is 12:37. I'm supposed to have broken my intermittent fasting. So I am hungry. I may get a snack or something on my way home. Peace.